Welcome to this lesson on physical changes. Physical changes are fascinating transformations where the form of matter changes, but the substance itself stays exactly the same. Throughout this video, you'll learn how things can look completely different without actually becoming something new. Physical changes are transformations that alter the form or appearance of matter without changing its chemical identity. This means that even though something might look different, melt, freeze, or break apart, it's still made of the exact same molecules and atoms. The substance remains fundamentally unchanged at the molecular level. When a physical change occurs, several important properties remain constant. The chemical composition stays exactly the same, meaning the types and numbers of atoms don't change. The molecular structure stays intact, so the way atoms are bonded together doesn't alter. The identity of the substance is preserved, and perhaps most importantly, mass is conserved. No matter is gained or lost during a physical change. Let's explore some common examples of physical changes. When ice melts, it becomes liquid water, but both are still H2O molecules. During freezing, water transforms into ice, yet the composition remains unchanged. When water evaporates, the liquid turns into water vapor or steam, but again, it's still the same substance, just in a different state. Physical changes happen all around us every day. When you cut paper into pieces, the smaller pieces are still made of paper, just in a different shape. When salt dissolves in water, both substances are still present, they're just mixed together. When you crush a rock into powder, the powder contains the same minerals as the original rock, just in smaller particles. One of the most important types of physical changes involves transitions between states of matter. Matter can exist as a solid, like ice, a liquid, like water, or a gas, like steam. All transitions between these three states are physical changes. Matter can move back and forth between solid, liquid, and gas states without changing its chemical identity. A key characteristic of most physical changes is that they are reversible. This means you can undo the change and return to the original form. For example, ice can melt into water, and that same water can freeze back into ice. The substance moves back and forth between forms without losing its identity or creating new substances. It's important to understand the difference between physical and chemical changes. In a physical change, only the form changes while the substance identity stays the same. However, in a chemical change, a completely new substance forms, and the molecular structure changes entirely. Chemical changes create different molecules with different properties. Physical changes occur constantly in everyday life. When you melt chocolate for cooking, it changes from solid to liquid but remains chocolate. Shredding paper for recycling changes its shape, but not what it's made of. Squeezing a sponge changes its form temporarily, but it's still the same sponge. When fog forms from water vapor in the air, water is simply changing state from gas to tiny liquid droplets. Let's review the key concepts about physical changes. First, the appearance changes, but the substance remains the same. Second, no new substances are created during a physical change. Third, most physical changes are reversible, meaning you can return to the original form. And finally, both mass and composition stay constant throughout the change. Understanding physical changes helps us recognize that matter can transform in many ways without changing what it fundamentally is.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.